Hello viewers, welcome back to YouTube channel Starblock. My Sujan. In this video, I am going to share with you MCQ of investing in stock market.
The first question is
from
the
become
act of
first
putting
semester
money
subject.
to make a profit
let's
is
start
option
without
A
skip
investment,
any
option B
moment.
savings. The answer
Question
is
number 2,
investment which does not change with change in income level is option A autonomous investment, option B induced investment. 3. The investment which change in income level is option A autonomous investment, option B induced investment. Answer is induced investment. 4. Treasury bills have maturity period option A less than 1 year, option B more than 1 year. Answer
Question
is
number 5,
less than 1
percentage
year.
of
Dividend is fixed in option A equity share, option B
Question number
preference
6,
share. GDR means option A global domestic receipt, option B global depository receipt. Answer is global
7.
depository
Share
receipt.
issued by
Company to its employees at a discount or for consideration other than cash is option A bonus share, option B 8. Bonus share is issued to its option A existing shareholder, option B new shareholders. Answer is existing shareholders. 9. Growth shares are created by option A unlisted companies, option B listed companies. Answer is unlisted companies. Number 10. Investment is less risky in option A debentures, option B equity shares. Answer is debentures. 11. IPO is issued by dash to general public, option A unlisted companies, option B listed companies. Answer is unlisted companies. 12. RHP is option A red herring prospectus, option B red herring process. Answer is red herring prospectus. 13. ICDR is option A issue of capital and disclosure requirement, option B issue of capital and debenture requirement. Answer is issue of capital and disclosure requirements. 14. RHP covers company's plan for option A future, option B present. Answer is future. 15. FPO is issued by dash to investor on stock exchange, option A unlisted companies, option B listed companies. Answer is listed companies. Question number 16. Bonds with no maturity date is called option A perpetual bonds, option B non-matured bonds. Answer is perpetual bonds. 17. Bonds do not pay regular interest to investor is option A zero interest rate bonds, option B perpetual bonds. Answer is zero interest rate bonds. 18. Short-term financial transaction dealt in option A money market, option B capital market. Answer is money market. Question number 19. SEBI was established on option A 3rd April 1992, option B 3rd May 1992. Answer is 3rd April 1992. 20. Chief regulator of the capital market segment in India, option A SEBI, option B RBI. Answer is SEBI. Number 21. RBI was nationalized in option A 1935, option B 1948. Answer is 1948. Question number 22. Demat account facility offered by option A NSDL and CDSL, option B SEBI. Answer is NSDL and CDSL. 23. NEAT is option A National Exchange for Automated Trading, option B National Exchange Audit Training. Answer is National Exchange for Automated Trading. 24. NSE and BSE used option A free float market capitalization method, option B full market capitalization method. Answer is free float market capitalization method. Question number 25. KCBT is option A Kansas City Trading Board, option B Kansas City Board of Trade. Answer is Kansas City Board of Trade. Question number 26. Sensex is consist of option A 30 listed companies, option B 50 listed companies. The answer is 30 listed companies. 27. The base year of Sensex is option A 1978 to 79, option B 1979 to 80. Answer is 1978 to 1979. Question number 28. Sensex was first published in option A 1986, option B 1992. Answer is 1986. Question number 29. Nifty is consist of option A 30 companies, option B 50 companies. Answer is 50 companies. Question number 30. Nifty is owned by option A NSE Indices Limited, option B BSE Indices Limited. Answer is NSE Indices Limited. Question number 31. BSE switched to electronic system of trading in option A 1991, option B 1995. Answer is 1995. Question number 32. Limit order is set option A while selling, option B while buying. Answer is while buying. Question number 33. Cannot be used to set stop loss is option A market order, option B limit order. Answer is market order. Question number 34. Sensex is the sensitivity index of option A BSE, option B NSE. Answer is BSE. Question number 35. The price that an investor is willing to pay for the security is option A ask price, option B bid price. Answer is bid price. Question number 36. Credit risk is also known as option A default risk, option B liquidity risk. Answer is default risk. Question number 37. Absence of ready market to sell an investment give rise to option A default risk, option B liquidity risk. Answer is liquidity risk. Question number 38. The process used by investor to measure the risk of a stock is option A standard deviation, option B actual deviation. Answer is standard deviation. Question number 39. Ratios are calculated from the information recorded in the option E financial statement, option B cost statement. Answer is financial statement. Question number 40. ROTE means option A return on total equity, option B reinvest on total equity. Answer is return on total equity. Question number 41. ROCE means option A return on capital employed, option B return on capital equity. Answer is return on capital employed. Question number 42. The portion of organizational capital which is raised in exchange for the share of ownership in the company, option A equity capital, option B debentures capital. Answer is equity capital. Question number 43. Existence of debt security in the capital structure of a company is option A financial leverage, option B operating leverage. Answer is financial leverage. Question number 44. Unsecured promissory note without any collateral is option A equity share, option B debentures. Answer is debentures. Question number 45. Net operating income approach is suggested by option A David Durand, option B Modigliani and Miller, and the answer is David Durand. Question number 46. Combination of all long-term sources both debt and equities is option A capital structure, option B financial structure. Answer is capital structure. Question number 47. The amount of money that was originally used to pay for a stock on different trading days in the past is option A historical price, option B actual price. Answer is historical price. Question number 48. Average price of a stock over a set period of time which can range from 5 days to 6 months is option A moving average, option B price average. Answer is moving average. Question number 49. The full form of OHLC is option A open high low close, option B open high lowest close. Answer is open high low close. Question number 50. Penny stock is option A low price stock, option B high price stock, and the answer is low price stock. Question number 51. First layer of 3-tier structure of mutual fund is option A trustee, option B sponsor. Answer is sponsor. Question number 52. Net asset value is calculated option A at the end of the market day, option B at the beginning of the market day. Answer is at the end of the market day. Question number 53. It concentrates merely on price movement is option A Renko chart, option B bar chart. Answer is Renko chart. Question number 54. First private sector mutual fund in the country is option A Kothari Pioneer, option B SBI Mutual Fund. Answer is Kothari Pioneer. Question number 55. Unit Trust of India was established in option A 1963, option B 1965. Answer is 1963. Question number 56. Total number of stock exchange in India is option A 23, option B 25. Answer is 23. 57. The head office of CRISIL is option A Mumbai, option B Delhi. Answer is Mumbai. Question number 58. The funds are fluctuating in nature. Option A growth fund, option B income fund. Answer is growth fund. Question number 59. Mutual funds are available for sale or purchase at any point of time is option A open-ended mutual funds, option B closed-ended mutual funds. Answer is open-ended mutual funds. Question number 60. Corpus is predefined in option A open-ended mutual funds, option B closed-ended mutual funds. Answer is closed-ended mutual funds. Question number 61. A mutual fund that comes with a sales charge or commission is option A load fund, option B no load fund. Answer is load fund. Question number 62. Regulated by SEBI in option A future contract, option B option contract. Answer is future contract. Question number 63. An act where investors seek to minimize his risk exposure in the securities market is option A hedging, option B speculating. Answer is hedging. Question number 64. The agreement between the writer and the buyer is option A option contract, option B future contract. Answer is option contract. Ajir video last question. How many MPanel clearing bank does NSE has? Option A 13, option B 15. Answer is 13. This video is all about investing in stock market, subject of BCom first semester. In the next video, we are trying to cover the rest of the subject of BCom, and we have already covered the business law subject, the link of which is given in the description. If you benefit from the video, please do like, comment, share. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Akhom.